Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting fake tattoos. First, gather your materials. You will need rubbing alcohol, stencil paper, and a fine tip marker. Also, have some liquid bandage or medical adhesive spray ready. These items are key for creating a durable design. Ensure your skin is clean and dry before starting the application process. This preparation helps the tattoo adhere properly and last longer. Once your skin is prepped, cleanse the area thoroughly with rubbing alcohol to remove any oils or dirt. Next, draw your desired design onto stencil paper, then carefully transfer it onto your skin. Take your time to position it perfectly. Now, using your fine tip marker, carefully trace over the transferred design. Precision here ensures a crisp, professional-looking fake tattoo that you will love. After tracing your design, it is crucial to allow the marker ink to dry completely. This usually takes several minutes, so be patient. Once dry, apply a thin, even layer of liquid bandage or medical adhesive spray directly over your design. This creates a protective barrier. Let this layer dry fully, which forms a clear, durable seal that helps your fake tattoo last much longer. Your fake tattoo can last several days with proper care. For even longer wear, avoid scrubbing the area when showering and gently pat it dry. When you are ready to remove it, rubbing alcohol or baby oil works effectively without harsh scrubbing. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener for a fresh ride. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals. Enjoy your temporary body art and have fun experimenting with different designs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.